So now all of the things that can go wrong in a video went wrong in this video. And I thought that it was super fun if you haven't seen this clip for you all to see it. And I would love to know in the comment section below, can you watch this video without laughing? If you can, I need to know. And I want you to tell the truth. So in the background, as I was making these slough dogs, in the meantime, our puppies, they were growling. They wanted this hot dog, or they wanted the slough dog, and they couldn't stop growling, and there was nothing that I could say to them to make them stop. I had no makeup on. I was wearing braces, so I could barely talk, and it was just super funny. I hope y'all are having a great day today, and as always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Good night. Time to assemble this slough dog. Now listen here, how many of you think I say it funny? I feel like when you say slough dog, you kind of have to say slough dog like you're from... What's wrong with me? Like you're from the country. I wonder who made up this recipe. You're wanting this one. You're wanting this one. Can you hear the dogs? Can you hear them? Oh, look at that. I want you all to take a peek. And if all of those go, hey, wait. He knows the video's over. Look at that. Take a look at all of the ingredients. Take a bite and let me know what you think. Absolutely. And as always, God bless you all. Thank you all for watching.